Hello everybody. It's been a long time since I've done a trimming video. It's been a long time since I trimmed young boots here for the first time, 10 or so more years ago. He's got really quickly growing feet. I've got to trim him all the time. So we'll have a bit of a look at him and we'll do this trim. A lot's happened since I did my last trimming video. Everybody's aware that I broke my neck in February last year, on the 6th of February, which knocked me around quite a bit. I also injured my back. I've still had to come good, trim all my horses, which I'm still doing. 4 weeks ago I put my hand up and ran for the seat of Bendigo West for the state government of Victoria, to try and get rid of the tyranny that we've got in our country at the moment. So a lot's happened. Hopefully I'll be able to do a few more videos. Anybody got any questions in regard to trimming? Be happy to try and answer your questions. I've got young Clancy, the Brumby that I came off when I broke my neck. He's now gone to a young lady called Gertie, who's riding him at Pony Club and doing a wonderful job. And also the beautiful Misty had her first day at Pony Club yesterday. Gertie's got her as well. So hopefully we'll see some videos of them in the future going on to greatness. But in the meantime, let's have a look at these feet and have a bit of a trim. So see you at the end. Bye. Let's have a look, young man. These feet are yours. I might clean them all out first. We're a bit long in the toe here again, so I'd imagine we've probably this area here will have to come off. Back ones don't look too bad. Just look here, bud. That's boy. Oh, look at that. That's not bad, eh? So it's pretty right. Going to come off back to here. A bit high in the heel. Back to about here. So here we go with this. What do we got here, bud? Down there. How's that? Looks a bit better. Let's have a look. I guess you can see the difference in the feet there. Light's not real good. Bit better. Back ones aren't too bad. Now we'll try and do this other one. This one back to about here, I reckon. I'll have a look. Big man. Good boy. Pretty right. You can see there. Back there. Oh, it's a nice stone. Steady here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hard as a rock. There it is. Heels. I'm actually going to take a bit off that with the nippers. Summer only began 2 days ago, 3 days ago. And already it was 36 degrees here yesterday, after being about 20 the day before. Jesus, they're hard. Have a look. How hard are those frogs? That's good. Good now. Just take your bit off my toe. So back up for me. Just back a bit. Back, come on. Back. That's a boy. Stand there. Put the pudding up here so everyone can see. Up here. That's a boy. That's a boy. Looks pretty good, eh? There we go. That's good. Now for a back one. We're going to shift your butt over this way here. Over now, come on. Oh, that's it, boy. One more. Over there, come on. Through now. Woo, woo. Steady. No, come back, Billy. Silly Billy. Back this way. Come on. Good boy, stand. Stand, that's it. Steady. Good. You don't have to lift it so high. How's that, big fella? Good? Now this other one. Oh, this other one's a bit pointier. This one here. I guess you can see the lamina spread here. Put it here. That's this way. Bring him back over this way, bud. How's that? Put him down. Down. That's a good boy. That's good. Well, that's it. Another trim for young Bootsy here. I think on his first video, when he had feet like that, he's had nearly 1 million views. He's still with us. Still Boots. Aren't you? Kiss kiss. Kiss kiss. Good boy. I'll take you back to paddock now, hey? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Cheers, all the best, good health. Looks like we're over the virus. Ha ha. Next lockdown's global cooling. Global warming, I believe. Catch you later, bye. Horse just changed colour. This is Shani. Shani's got terrible feet.